It's Tuesday before Thanksgiving, and I'm going out to finish shopping for the items for Thanksgiving dinner. Keeping in mind that I am just cooking for 4 people, so the side dishes need to only feed or serve about 6 people, so we don't have too much food left over or to go to waste. So the turkey is already in the freezer. I just have to get the ingredients for the remaining items: collard greens, cranberry sauce, mac and cheese, candy yams. Um, I'm going to do the lemon meringue pie instead of pineapple upside down cake.